Hello Model A'ers and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed seatbelts in my 1930 Model A Ford Coupe. I hope you enjoy the video. I think most of us can agree that adding seatbelts to a Model A increases the safety greatly. And there's many different ways that you can install seatbelts in a Model A. But I'm going to show you the easiest way that I found to do it in the front seat of the coupe, the rumble seat. That'll be a different video, but I'll show you how I installed them. And just a disclaimer, I'm not responsible for anything related to it. You install these at your own risk, basically. So, well, let me show you how I did it. For my Model A, I ordered the seat belts from Wesco Performance, based in California, and I chose this color to kind of go with my interior scheme. But they have tons of different colors. But I will put a link in the description to the specific one that I got. I believe it's the 74-inch length. So this is the seatbelts, what they look like. I chose these because they kind of have this sort of antique looking seatbelt opposed to the more plasticky, cheap looking ones. And now I'm going to take off the seat and show you how they're attached. So under the seat on most Model A's that have a seat like this, there is a cross member. And the cross member is part of the body, not the frame. You do not want to attach the seatbelts to the frame because if there is a horrible accident and the body separates from the frame, you want the seatbelts to come with you and not strangle you to the frame of the car. So this is attached to the body. So there's 4 places and there's a fender washer under each of those. So I drilled 4 holes into the body, the cross member, and then they're attached with the hardware kit that you can get with the seatbelts from Wesco Performance. So now I'm going to show you under the car and how I attached them and how I reinforced it. Welcome to the underside of Helen, the 1930 Deluxe Coupe. So for reference, up there is the transmission, battery, etc. And right here is the little pan under the seat where you can store things. And then if I pan upwards, you can see that this little channel is that cross member that I was talking about. So what I did is I got a piece of steel and cut it to fit inside of this little channel. And then you can see I drilled through the steel as well as the body. And this acts as like a reinforcement in case that the steel wouldn't hold up. So this bar of steel is there. But you can see that the hardware comes through and attaches through and bolts to this piece of steel. So there's a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And I painted this black because I don't want it to look weird. But yeah, so that's how I attached them under here. For the rumble seat, that's a different story, so we're not going to get to that. But this is how you attach them under there. So that's how I installed the seat belts in the front seat of a Model A Coupe in my car. And some people say that they don't need seat belts. It's all based on really what you want to do. I feel safer with seat belts, so I installed them. But thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this short little informational video. And again, I'll put a link to the exact seatbelts that I purchased and the hardware kit in the description. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a comment or subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.